back to another video. This is the set I'm going to be doing today. I am obsessed with it. I think it's so cute. But yeah, let's get right into the video. So here I just removed the shine from my tips and my natural nails. I also apply my dehydrator, my primer, and a foundation.
Qu'est-ce que je vais te nommer? Je vais te nommer l'amour. L'amour a la raison. L'amour et moi, nous sommes un. Nous sommes un.
For this design, I decided to go with MAKART's Ever Rouge kit. I used shade 13702 for my pinky, my middle finger, and my thumb.
Qu'est-ce que je vais te nommer? Je vais te nommer l'amour. L'amour a la raison. L'amour et moi, nous sommes un. Nous sommes un.
For my pointer and my ring finger, I did an ombre with the shade 13701 and 13702. slow down the speed here so you can see how I created my ombre. So I put a bead of the color that I wanted to ombre, and then I started doing little tiny strokes, and I would just pull the polygel down a little bit, not too much because then it will just completely ruin the look. It's got to be like right from the tip, and just pull it down very little. Don't put too much pressure on it. And yeah, that's how I created my ombre look. I really like the butterfly with the little flowers on it, but for this look I really wanted just the butterfly by itself, so I ended up removing the flowers with some acetone. To apply the little gems, I added some top coat, and then I put the gems on. I cured it for 30 seconds, and then I applied more top coat to secure the bling. To finish the look, I added some top coat and some cuticle oil. But yeah, so this is it, guys. This is how the set turned out. I'm obsessed with it. I think it's so stunning. I hope that you like it, and if you did, don't forget to like my video, subscribe, and I want to give thanks to those who have been liking my video and commenting. I think that you're awesome for doing that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.